got any final thoughts for the show?
Make jukes, not war.
Can we edit that out?
Nope. I had my game face on.
And welcome. I have a package on the table, my beloved Jaguar Super Treasure Hunt from 2021 on the table for an open review. Except it's not what you think, because what's in the package relates to the Jag in a way that I didn't think I'd ever really see. So let's get it open and on the table for a proper review. Now this is a different one. This is a company I saw on the Hotwheels UK Facebook page, or Facebook group should I say, who were doing a free trial or free sort of testing review for their new protector packs. So we're going to get the old protector pack, which is nothing wrong with it for this Jag, but you'll notice it's a small card or short card, so it's not exactly fitting very well. So we're going to do a proper open depth review and get that small one out there and see how it fares. Huge thank you to Klas Protectors, that's KLAS, for their box that they've sent out to me. It's the first ever wax sale I've ever had. So we're going to start off with the letter and, well, properly get into it. We're going to open up nice blue paper, and I love the wax seal. Open her up. And there we go. So, firstly off, hello Aaron, or hey Aaron. Firstly, welcome to Klas UK, and this sincere thank you for choosing us. Usually the date is quite a little bit away. I'm currently filming this on the 2nd of September. It's taken a while for me to get to it. It's a UK family business, which is fantastic to hear. And well, as you can see, a little bit of joke, South End, known to locals. It's a free premium long card and short card protector, which I'll be having a look. If there were damage in the back, please let us know. Luckily they aren't. I've had a quick dig through already. They also have basic, long card, premium car culture, pop culture, character card cases, and more, which is fantastic to hear. Also, because I know there's quite a lot of people who collect those as well. I love those emojis and everything. It's quite nice thing to see. And there's their website as well. I'm sure you can order them for the States as well. So that's our little bit of paperwork to deal with. Now we've got a bag that somehow creeped in there, which isn't from them. I know that for a fact. Paper, which I will pick up after. Bubble wrap, which we never have enough bubble wrap, and there's our first one coming out. Klas Protectors, of course, stamped on the back. It's KLAS, and it feels fantastic, really, really nice. And compared to the one made by PKG, we have a fantastic logo. I like the fact they've got their company website stamped in. That's fantastic to hear. In terms of material, it is really, really sturdy, really nice, and does it open nicely. Well, it's already got the thing stamped out, which I like. Able to be hung on pegboard, and I can't do it by hand, which is really nice. It means if it's dropped off of a shelf or anything, it won't just spring open, which is what happens sometimes with some protectors. I believe it opens up. There we go. That way, which I do quite like. Feels really nice, really well quality. All the edges are smoothed. Won't hurt yourself on it. It's really, really, really nice. First one, a big yes from me. We have this little mini protector, which is what I'll be swapping the Jag into. Of course, a receipt I've got in too when I found the thing. This was a fantastic find. I actually found it on film, which was absolutely brilliant. Same goes, I haven't actually looked at this one too much in depth, but same goes, Klas and KlasUK.com. Of course, we get majority of short cards here than I believe anywhere else in the world. So it's nice to know that a UK provider is having a look at these, because I know short cards aren't that common in other places in the world. Nice bit of moulding on this one. I really, really do like it. Nice little tinge to it, and again the quality is fantastic, so why not swap the Jag straight in there, and we'll have right now. And I really like how clear they are. These ones I got from the States, I can't remember which package it was now, but I believe it was a while ago now. They're slightly smoked, and these are really clear. I like that a lot. So that's all I've seen from Klas so far. So far I'm very impressed with them. The moulding is really nice, the quality is also fantastic, and the customer service is brilliant. I love the guy who's on their social media channels. He's fantastic, great guy to talk to. And that's it, www.klas.co.uk.com. I believe, KlasUK.com. I believe you can order them into the States, but don't quote me on that. I hope you've all enjoyed. Please stay safe, have fun, and of course, stay juke'ing. Thank you very much to Klas UK as well.